Hello from Slovenia again. I was playing with kind of bloom technique a little bit. You will see this video too, or you maybe already did, and I have some paints left that I mixed with my pouring medium, that it's Bessner acrylic binder and acrylic emulsion, and then I added Vallejo polyurethane satin varnish to all the paints to create some kind of effects. Maybe I will do a flip cup. I'll go with a bigger cup, I think. And my colors are dioxazine purple, 24K gold, Fabio, ultramarine dark, ultramarine blue dark. And then I have some unicorn, these little piggy pigments, some cherry red, and some Taffy by these little piggy pigments, and some white. And I will start with on the bottom, that it will came last, with dioxazine purple. Okay, let's flip this around. I will pinch a hole. Weird center, and not a lot of the effects. Who is this? I will rag this a little bit. I will grab a glove and I will blow it up and do some kisses. Let's see what will happen. So this is my dipping tool. I prefer this glove over the balloon. So let's dip here. trying to figure out which orientation. I think this one. And because of that I need a small little dip here, I think. Yeah, I'm done. And it should dry pretty beautiful because of all the piggies. So here she is. Whoop. This will be probably better. I turned lights on, but you will not see as much of a shimmer right now. I love the details. I love these pops of gold. I kind of love it. So balloon or glove or whatever you prefer, dip is definitely something that you can try if you don't like your pour, or on purpose. It's always fun technique. I have to do more of those again. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.